Hey, what's up? If you love classic cars, then you have to love Alfa Romeo 75. It's simple, lightweight chassis, rear-wheel drive, factory plated LSD unit. So this video today is exactly about that. Ultimate upgrade for Alfa Romeo 75 plated type LSD unit. Let's first check what we have inside from the factory. First you notice some large and small SPYDER gears. Then you have pressure plates with a single ramp angle combination 45-45 from the factory as the only option, and then at the end you have friction plates and dog ear steel plates. Friction plates are probably worn out, as you can see from the factory. They haven't been changed at all, so they need to be replaced anyway. And now we're gonna unbox the RacingDiffs Ultimate Upgrade track pack for Alfa 75 to show you what you get from us, and later on we're going to show you how to install those parts properly. First you have a brand new clutch pack with some additions: 4 extra hardened dog ear plates, 4 performance perforated clutch plates, and as addition 2 preload shims. And the second but the most important thing is multi-variation pressure plates, multi-variation ramp angle pressure plates, completely designed and manufactured by us at RacingDiffs, and they contain 3 different ramp angle positions. As you can see, a 30-60 setup, 30-30 setup, and 50-65 setup. If you want to learn more about significance of the ramp angle design at clutch plate limited slip differential, then check the suggested video tag up. As you saw all parts from our performance upgrade pack, now to explain some extra features and key points of the set. First one is the preload shims, which you don't have in the factory setup, which means that the factory setup runs 0 preload. That can be good, but however, having a small preload in your differential can positively affect longevity and wear of the clutch plates. Also, you will have some lock available from the start of the session till the end. 3 different ramp angle setups on the performance pressure plates from RacingDiffs provide you a possibility to set up your differential exactly according to your needs. So if you want to drive your car on the circuit or any other grip discipline, then you should choose 50-60 ramp angle setup. If you want to drift or go sideways or aggressive driving like that, then 30-30 ramp angle would be desired. If you want your car to go uphill or some gravel rally or any discipline more like that, then you should choose 30-60 ramp angle design. So this is really advanced possibility compared to the factory setup, which has only 45-45 ramp angle design. And now I'm going to show you how to assemble everything together. Please note that all parts must be soaked in oil before assembly. First, beginning with the preload shim facing like this at the bottom of the differential, then dog ear plate, clutch plate, dog ear plate, and then clutch plate. After that, one pressure plate. This one is the bottom, the one with a sharper angle facing to this side right here. This is the bottom one. And then one large SPYDER gear. Pay attention that it passes through all 2 clutches all the way down like this, and then across. This is the moment when you choose which setup you will run in your differential, so pay attention which ramp angle did you choose: 30-30, 30-60 or 50-65. We now put it on the most aggressive 30-30 ramps. Then another SPYDER gear, pressure plate again, and then clutch plate, dog ear plate, second clutch plate, and second dog ear plate, ending this with a preload shim facing like this. Cap and bolts, of course. Those bolts should be tightened to 40 Newton meters, and if you want, you can use a thread locker on them. Da isečeš. Da, to. As you saw, RacingDiffs Track Pack, besides the fact that it gives you ability to adjust setups according to your needs, it is completely plug and play. Upgrade packs like this are available for many car models which have limited slip differential from the factory, so jump to racingdiffs.com to check. Help us grow our community, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until the next video, stay well.